Hi guys, playing with dominoes. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of dominoes. In the middle I'm doing some work on some model aeroplanes, so ignore that. Start here. We should go all the way around. They get slightly bigger each set. These are the small set. Slightly bigger, slightly bigger, slightly bigger. Here we go. Worked. Pleased with that.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.